My speech is on the theme of the play Electricidad. Electricidad is a play by Luis Alfaro that adopts the Greek strategy of Electra to a modern Los Angeles Chicano barrio. The play tells a story of Electricidad, a girl who is grieving over the death of her father. Her father was a leader of a Los Angeles street gang who was murdered by his wife Clemencia, who thought the father was getting weak and wanted to run the barrio itself. Electricidad wanted revenge for her dad's murder, even though her sister said it was the best to forgive their mom, where Iphigenia stated, quote, "But it's time to call a truce and let the house of Atridas mourn and move on," end of quote. Not listening, Electricidad convinced her brother, Orestes, to help carry out their revenge and kill their mom by stating, quote, "Do it and be the king," end of quote. The main statement of the play is that gang culture is a never-ending cycle of violence, where loyalty, violence, hate, and revenge is part of life. Gang. Some words that represent the core ideas in a play are power. The power struggle within the family and within the gang that lead to the mom killing their dad. Laconi stating, quote, "Planning her takeover," end of quote. Revenge. Electricidad's purpose in life now is only to get revenge for her father's murder that can only be satisfied by killing her mother. Forgiveness. The sisters telling Electricidad forgive their mom so as break the cycle of violence and fate. Violence. Gang culture is highlighted by the never-ending cycle of killing and counterattacks in the barrio. Fate. The family seems cursed and trapped in the never-ending cycles of violence and revenge that defines the gang culture. I think Alfaro's intention in writing Electricidad was to convey the Greek strategy to contemporary issues of Chicano gang's life, identity, violence, and revenge. That is a never-ending trap. I do not think Alfaro is making a broad statement about Hispanic American values. In general, rather the play focuses on those who live in the barrios where power and revenge are part of the gang culture and where conflicts between the gang. Family and real family can be blurred. Gang power struggles, loyalty, violence, and revenge are used as a code of honor, which creates a never-ending cycle making it hard to break out. Iphigenia stating, quote, "Look at what he left us. Our own jails. Oh yeah, you, mama. We all trapped," end of quote. Examples from the play. When the mom murdered the father, Electricidad wanted revenge against her mom. This is gang justice that is part of the code of honor and turns love into violent obligation. Electricidad believes the only way to honor her father is to kill her mother, repeating the same brutality that destroyed her family. In the play, she stated, quote, "My grief is the match that fuels the fire of my revenge." I believe that title Electricidad is appropriate. It's a spin off the parallel Greek tragedy Electra, where Alfaro cleverly uses the word electric to symbolize the main character as dangerous, easily to spark, and powerful, plus with the word dad added to the back of electric, making the revenge of the father the focal point. Electricidad monologue focused heavily on revenge and her duty to her father and gang honor. For example, in her monologue to her father's body, she could not imagine honoring him without more blood, which highlights the gang trap of violence and revenge. She stated, quote, "Oh Papa, it is only in the thought of her suffering that I get my energy, thinking of her lifeless body thrown at the doorway of El Gato Negro bar," end of quote. I believe that sister represent hope in a way out of the barrio and the gang mentality. Forgiveness, through forgiveness and moving on faster in our community. The end.